Faced with shrinking margins, rising competition, and burning platforms, manufacturing companies are under pressure to innovate while keeping costs low. CGI Rapid Deployment Manufacturing, based on SAP S/4HANA Cloud, provides a comprehensive setup of end-to-end processes to help you harness the power of technology and manufacturing best practices. Rapid Deployment Manufacturing empowers your workforce to focus on high-value tasks by automating the mundane and repetitive, boosts efficiency and output by enabling your employees to focus on tasks that drive business growth, and optimizes resource allocation using real-time data analytics for smarter and faster decision-making. The cloud-based ERP is the backbone of the intelligent manufacturing enterprise, seamlessly integrating everything from sourcing and production to sales and revenue tracking, while also addressing the demands of a circular economy and sustainability by helping businesses eliminate waste and optimize resources. Benefit from manufacturing best practices in SAP and a streamlined implementation process at a predictable price. Most production lines are globally moving towards high automation and modernization. Can you afford to wait?